Okay, so to get a customer onto Gocardless, what you do from the main screen, you go to Sales and then Customers, and then here you can see a list of the customers. So if a new customer wants to go on Gocardless, you just set them up first by going to New Customer, filling all their details in here, and usually make sure they got an email so they can get emailed the direct debit mandate. So if I just set up a test customer here, and put an email address in, I'm going to put my own email address in just so it's there. And see. You can see when you set a new customer, it does actually come up with the Gocardless bit here. So we just click on there. And what you can do here is go back to the customers menu. And then on the right hand side, next to John Smith, our test customer, you can see it says request direct debit. So you've got a bit here that says Angel Way Limited you need your approval for direct debit. And it's got a little email. You can change that if you need to. What it will do is it will set up the direct debit mandate with them. I just click on send. That's done. And once they filled that in, that'll be connected to your Gocardless account. And hopefully that should be verified in the first couple of days of the week. You can see here it says success, your direct debit request was sent. And that's it. But if you have any queries, then don't hesitate to drop me an email. I will be checking them periodically. Thank you.